Hello, fellow creators. Kamran here, extending a warm invitation for an immersive journey into the enchanting realm of drawing and painting. Today, our canvas bursts to life with the presence of three extraordinary vehicles: an excavator, a mixer truck, and a forklift. Our artistic exploration kicks off with the formidable excavator. Collaboratively, let's outline its defining features: the windows, dynamic arm, and the in-motion bucket. I welcome you to join in the magic, attempting to sketch along. Observe the radiant glow emanating from the excavator's light and the graceful sweep of its arm. As we bring our session to a close, intricate details of the track will add the finishing strokes to our masterpiece. Now, let's infuse these vehicles with a vibrant burst of color. A spectrum of red, orange, green, yellow, blue, pink, light blue, and more will metamorphose these mechanical wonders into lively works of art. An exciting highlight awaits: an exclusive sale for on my channel, Mixer Truck. Accompany me as we outline its imposing mixer, applying a rich palette comprising green, light blue, red, orange, yellow, light green, blue, purple, and brown hues. Our artistic sojourn culminates with the forklift, gracefully elevating a box with precision. Immerse yourself in a kaleidoscope of orange, red, purple, blue, green, pink, gray, and more as we craft this final masterpiece. These brilliantly colored vehicles are a spectacle to behold. Stay tuned for our upcoming video, where more artistic wonders eagerly await. Until then, keep the creative flame burning, and I eagerly anticipate our next rendezvous in the world of imagination.